Hello, my name is Melissa Godinez. Today, I will be sharing with you all a bit about my journey of developing entrepreneur characteristics. Sometimes the biggest killer is our mind. We self-doubt before we even start. We start doubting ourselves, our surroundings, and our abilities. This class taught me that I should not be afraid to start pursuing my dreams, whether it is to make extra cash or change the world. You need to decide what it is that you really want and set your mind to it. There are lots of decisions you have to make as a leader, and people rely on you every day. Everyone has moments of self-doubt. The key is to remember that feeling insecure about something doesn't necessarily mean you've done wrong. Like J. Gregory D. said, entrepreneurs have a mindset that sees the possibilities rather than the problems created by change. Confidence. Confidence is an important characteristic that I needed to develop within myself. The difference between appearing good or bad at something is often a matter of acting confidently, looking confident while getting on stage to speak or share my ideas to the world. Accountability. The entrepreneur mindset comes from taking responsibility from your actions and outcomes. You need to internalize and accept that everything that happens at work, you are responsible for. Everything that happens to your business, you are responsible for. Whether you succeed or fail, it is your responsibility. You must hold yourself accountable to it. Accountability for entrepreneurs provides a clear framework for greater productivity and higher performance. When entrepreneurs are accountable, they can stay on track and increase their focus. The third characteristic is resilience. As an entrepreneur, you will need to learn to deal with making mistakes and failing. They are inevitable, and they are part of your growth. Resilience enables you to think, act, and move iteratively, making small incremental corrections along the way. Success rarely happens in a straight line. Taking wrong turns and making mistakes is something that happens to everyone. And I will leave you all with this quote. The people who don't make mistakes are the ones who don't do anything.